Hi there, I'm DURITA. I work for the Faroese Tourist Board, and this is my quest to get my country, the Faroe Islands, on Google Street View. I stand here with my two friends, Leif, he's a shepherd, and David, an inventor. I've asked them to help me to put a 360 camera on a sheep.
Yeah, so what I was thinking is we mount this 360 camera on, and I was thinking of mounting that on this harness. The problem with the camera is that the battery only lasts a couple of hours, so my solution to that would be that we add an extra battery and we take a solar panel, which actually also works as a harness. And the cool thing is that we can use this phone to connect to the internet and uploads the pictures, so we can basically sit at home on our couch and watch the pictures.
Cool.
So here it is, completely assembled, our lightweight harness, and it's ready to go.
Can we try it on?
Yeah, let's do that. No. Jeg husker jeg, hvis vi binder det her, kanskje? Ja. Så lager atter, ja.
Ja, det sitter nok godt, da.
No. Okay, are we ready? The camera is running?
Ja.
Cool.
Skal vi slippe det?
Ja.
How do you get the camera back? Stay tuned to see my first 360 film next week.